Okay, here we are in my house with my Silingan neighbor from Buhisan, Cebu City. We have Ederlina Bacarisas, and she is from, where are you from?
Minnesota.
Minnesota. They drove all the way from Minnesota here to Arizona. Anyhow, this is just a random thing. We never really plan. We just like do it like in a flight. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask Ederlina in English, and she is going to translate it in Cebuano. So kind of like just a random questions. So Ederlina, how do you say how was your trip today? When you translate that to how was your trip in Cebuano? Kumusta imong biyahe? O kumusta imong biyahe? Would you rather talk to me in English and I will translate it in Cebuano?
No,
What you
speak
prefer?
English.
And then you do the Cebuano. Okay. All right. What is the Cebuano for reading glasses?
Yeah, anchos.
Anteojos. Find my glasses, Ederlina.
Yeah, pangitaon ang
Pangitaon
anchos.
anteojos. Pangitaa ang anteojos, Ederlina. How would you say, I'm very full?
Oh, ako busog. Ako busog.
Ako busog, I'm full, yes. But when you say very full, tambuk.
Daot gihapon siya. So, daot gihapon siya. I'm big.
No, you're not. You're not big.
My belly is.
So what is the Cebuano for belly?
Tiyan.
Tiyan?
Yeah, tiyan.
What about bilbil?
That's another word.
That's another word?
Yeah, pero
When you say
tiyan.
bilbil, meaning you are
So
fat.
yeah, the bill, you know, the belly part.
The belly part, okay.
So, tiyan, I think.
All right. I have a long hair.
Taas ka og buhok.
I have a flat nose.
Okay, so meaning ikaw ay mubog ilong. So right, flat nose.
Flat nose.
Mubog ilong. Right, mubog.
Pislat.
Pislat.
Pislat ka og ilong. Like you have a flat nose. Filipino, we are very known of being a short nose or flat nose, right?
Yeah.
We are very popular with that, and also being short. So
We
you
got lucky for that one. At least it's original.
that's our signatures. Being a Filipino, right?
Hey, some of the Filipino they got enlargement.
Ooh, should we? No.
I don't have desire.
Yeah, me too. So,
I want to keep my original face until I die.
yep, no makeup.
Yep.
Clap, clap.
Pak pak.
Pak, pak.
Yeah,
so,
ikaw,
you
pak,
clap, pak, pak. We say pak, pak.
Yeah,
Yeah.
pak pak.
All right, let's cook.
Magluto ta.
Good na. I want to eat shrimp.
Gusto kong mukaon og pasayan.
Pasayan. That's
Yeah.
pasayan. I want to eat
Pasayan.
shrimp. Gusto ko mukaon og pasayan. That's what it means. Gusto ko mukaon og pasayan. I want to eat some green beans.
Patay.
What is green beans?
Batong.
Gusto
kang mukaon og batong. Yes.
long beans, the batong. Yes.
Yeah.
I want to eat some long beans. And in Cebuano,
Batong, good. Bisag mag short beans o long beans, batong.
is still
siya.
batong? I didn't know that. I thought long beans is batong, and then short beans, the mini beans. What do you call that? The sweet beans.
Yeah, I think it's the same thing.
Is it same thing?
Yeah. Because, you know, it just that the
They just call it as beans.
Yeah,
just
they
beans.
call
Black pepper. Black pepper. What is the Cebuano?
paminta.
Right?
Pero kadaghanan gawita mo luto ka ng
This is
pamitaan ka.
paminta.
Kain mo sili.
Dili, uy,
Parang
paminta.
Pwede sa oh.
What about salt? The Cebuano for salt.
Asin.
Asin. The Cebuano for monosodium glutamate. MSG. What we called for MSG, which is monosodium glutamate, is bitsin.
yeah.
Bitsin,
Yeah,
right? Yeah. What is Cebuano for broth? Sabaw?
Mura. Broth.
Broth. Okay. What about rice? Cebuano for rice.
Kanon.
Kanuno? Kanon.
Palit ng
Bugas is raw.
Okay.
Rice raw bugas.
Yeah.
And when it is cooked,
You have to kaon.
it is kanon. Kanon.
Yeah, kanon.
Kanon, which
you,
is
you have to eat the kanon. Yeah, kanon ka.
yeah,
So-
kanon. Right.
Very confusing, no?
Very confusing. It's just like mahal.
It's like English.
When you say
Like-
mahal, it's actually expensive, but if you use it into a person, mahal, mahal ko, my love, right? But
yeah.
that's Tagalog. But right now we're speaking Cebuano. So I'm thirsty.
Yeah, use that.
I already said that. Giyohaw ko.
So you
Giyohaw ko.
speak it and you answer that.
I'm sleepy.
Katugon. Ikaw katugon, di ba?
Katulgon.
Oh, katulgon.
Katulgon. Where is that with
Shortcut man
no
ako,
L?
Katugon.
So it's like lazy way to say.
Yeah.
Katulgon.
It's like a slang word,
Katulgon.
right?
Yeah. Katulgon ako or katuwugon na ako. I stink.
Ako baho.
Ako ba?
Hey, ang ilok magbaho man gyud, di ba?
I smell good.
We all do, I think. That's natural.
Right. Liquid detergent.
Sabon.
Sabon.
Oh.
But you can
Basa
have...
nga tubig. Basa nga sabon. I don't know.
Okay, if we
But I
say...
think we're generalized.
just
tawag
detergent,
sabon.
sabon.
Yeah.
The detergent. And shampoo is the same thing
Yeah,
as
murag
shampoo.
common daw.
Right. What would you call the booger?
Kugmo. So yeah, kugmo siya.
Ederlina, you have a kugmo.
Yeah.
You have a
my
booger.
ilong, see?
A
Ako
kugmo.
ang
Ilong.
mole.
Mole. Okay, what is the Cebuano for mole? Alum.
Oh, ow.
Alum. Alum.
Alum.
Or awum.
Yeah,
Right?
awum.
You can either say awum or alum for mole. Right? What about skin?
Panit.
Panit. All right. What about teeth?
Ngipon.
Ngipon. Husband.
Bana.
Bana.
Say it.
Oh,
Bana.
Wife.
So it's kind of a gigantic loop.
Murag pareha. Kaysa Tagalog, di ba? Asawa.
Wife asawa. And then if the Cebuano for husband is bana, and the Cebuano for wife is asawa.
Yeah.
So the what about the
Uncle.
aunt and uncle,
Tia.
tia and tio?
Yeah.
What about grandparents, lolo and lola? Sister?
Every dimension is 90 degrees
Igsoon
flat.
naman.
Igsong babae, right? Then when you say brother,
Isang lalaki.
igsong lalaki. And then when you say nephew,
Well, we can see the
Pagumangkon.
pag umangkong laki. Okay, I think that's it for today. Thank you, Ederlina, to become my guest on Cebuano Lesson. Thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Shout out to Ederlina Headland from Minnesota. Is that correct, Minnesota?
Yes.
All right. So thank you once again. Please don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and please share this to your family and friends. And once again, thank you for watching Aurora's vlog. Bye.